Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. These exercises are included in many intense training programs that take no more than 15 minutes. It means you can get it in shape in a very short time, and all you need to do is to get the technique right way. In this video, Dr. Sheen is going to mention these techniques in adequate fashion and will teach you how to follow them. So keep on watching this video until end. Let's start. Now how to do it in right way. Before beginning your training, do a 5-minute warm up, some squats, arm and leg swings, body rotation and bends, as well as neck and knee warm ups. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Do all the exercises one after another, only stopping to rest if you need. Repeat the set as many times as you can within 15 minutes. Repeat the training set every 2 days and try to increase the number of repetitions. Raise the time of the training to 20 minutes after 3 weeks. Now let's start. First exercise, sumo jump squats. Set your legs wide apart with your toes outward, pull your hips back a bit and squat until your knees are bent at a right angle. Strain your buttocks. Jump straight up and land softly. Repeat 12 times. Second exercise, push-ups with a raised hand. Take up the plank position with your legs, back and neck forming a straight line. Your leg and stomach muscles should be strained. Breathing in, bend your elbows to form right angles and go down. Breathing out, push yourself up and touch your shoulders with the opposite hand. Repeat 12 times, changing hands. You can also do this propped on your knees. Third exercise, jump plank. Take up the plank position with your legs, back and neck forming a straight line and your leg and stomach muscles strained. Pull your feet to your hands in a jump, then jump up, straightening your arms up as well. Return to sitting prop position and jump back to the initial one. Repeat 12 times. Fourth exercise, knee pull plank. The initial position is a plank propped on your elbows. Pull your left knee to your left elbow, then return to the initial position. Repeat with your other leg. Repeat 12 times. Fifth exercise, jumps forward and to the side. Jump up and to the side from the half squat position and then jump to the other side. Repeat 12 times. Sixth exercise, plank with a raised hand. Do the plank with your legs, back and neck forming the a straight line and your leg and stomach muscles strained. Smoothly lift your right arm until it's parallel to the floor, all the while moving your right leg to the side. Return to the initial position and do the same for your another arm. Repeat 3 times for each side. Seventh exercise, jump with knees to the chest. Set your heels shoulder width apart. Your knees should be slightly bent and your hands are in front of you. Jump up and pull your knees to your chest as high as you can. Then land softly. Repeat 12 times. Alright viewers, these were some exercises that can change your shape in weeks. Try out and share with your loved ones for their health as well. Thanks for watching.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.